My name is Kumara Wilcoxon.
I'm Delroy Gill.
My name's Nisha Go.
My name is Harrison Jordan Reed.
My name is Wendy Storch.
And I'm a realtor.
Sotheby's International Realty and I actually have really core aligned values.
Excellence.
Elegance.
Luxury.
At Sotheby's International Realty, we sell the finest belongings on earth.
A brand that's built on legacy and cachet.
So much history.
Our competitive advantage is our global reach.
I've made relationships with agents across the country and the world
Sotheby's International Realty has the absolute most beautiful tools
that make me even more effective when I go into a listing appointment.
Sotheby's International Realty has had an incredible impact.
There's been direct impact and results in sales volume, in increased price point.
My business has more than doubled every year.
Sotheby's International Realty really has changed my life.
Buying a home or selling a home is one of the most important things in your life.
How could I choose anything less than the very best?